So what I'll be showing you is how to do a standard foundation forward pass. So I made a little chain of a certain number of loops, and what you want to do is the foundation forward pass is to find that back loop there. So here's the front of the stitch, those are the fronts of the stitches, and when we turn we see there those back loops. That's where we want to work in. So we skip the first stitch and we work in the back loop there of the second chain. You insert your hook, you yarn over, you pull up a loop and you leave it on the hook like that. Then you go to the second one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. And the third, you see there the chain, insert your hook in the back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop. And that's how you continue all the way until the end of your chain. There, one more, and the last one. It's a bit difficult, I made it a bit tight, but there it is. So there we have all your foundation forward pass worked, all the stitches on the hook.